Hi, it's Nicole from Divine Creations. Hey, I'm coming in with a short video just to show you guys some ways to save space in a basket that you may have limited space, or you want to combine a couple of items together. I have put together this. It's just a thin washcloth. The longer the washcloth, the better the results. The thicker and wider the things you can put in there. But these are really small, don't take up space. They're thin, so you got thin space, you need to fill it. You don't want to put shred, and you want to add some extra things. This one I did for the guys, and I also did one for the ladies, for when we have the small pieces that we want to put in, and have them all in your basket together with their washcloth. These are really like face towels, so this is the reason why this one looks that way. This one was pulled all the way up. This one could have been pulled up a little higher, but let's try and duplicate this on live. All right, you guys, so I am starting off with a 10 by 10 small thin microfiber cloth, which is a cloth that I choose to use mostly for my men. You will need this, some tape, and your product, okay? So our product again is going to be 2 of these, okay? So let's get started. First thing you want to do is put your finger where you want the crease to begin, okay? So you see I have my finger under here, and I'm just gonna fold it up, okay? Fold it up and crease it, okay? The other technique, when you have a longer washcloth, you will be folding this part down and taping it up, okay? It gives it a little bit more stability. We're gonna go ahead and do that just so that you can see what it is that we need to do. So we're gonna add a piece of tape here, as well as a piece of tape here on this side, okay? And this is what it should look like. We're gonna flip the cloth over to its side, and this is what you should have on the other side, okay? You're going to flip the left side or the right side, whatever side you want to start with first, and you're going to tape it down, excuse me. You're going to pull it halfway in. You're going to tape the first piece down, okay? And then you're going to pull the other side to that side to meet, and you're going to tape this down and use another piece of tape to secure the top, okay? This is what it should look like. Okay, and then you're going to flip it back over, and there you have your pocket to put your items in. Use a bag to put it in. You can use one of these bags that I have. I think this one fits it better. I suggest you get another bag without a seam or hinges on the side, or folds on the side. Okay. And then you can just close your bag up top, put a piece of string up there, and put that in your basket. You're covering up your washcloth, keeping it clean, so no dust or any other items will get on it, so that's a good thing. And this is how you do it, you guys. If you need me to do another example, please let me know. Okay? If you need me to do another example, but that's just something simple. The bigger the cloth, the bigger the space, as well as the deeper the depth is, where you can also put these inside of them. Okay, so it's a good trick for when you are trying to save a little space and put your items together. So small little trick. Hope you guys can find it useful. Let me know if you do it. And by the way, I got the idea from Pinterest. So you can find it, I can find it, we all can find it. It's nothing I created. But I'm bringing it to the basket community because we always come up with nice, cute techniques to help us in our designing. All right, you guys. See you later. Bye.